Welcome to release question number 30 for the Algebra 2 CST questions. It says if I equals the square root of negative 1, what is the value of I to the fourth power? So let's work it out here. So I square root of negative 1. What's I squared if that's the case? You'd have the square root of negative 1, but you're squaring that. I is just representing that number. So I just used substitution. I replaced I with the square root of negative 1. And what happens to squares and square roots? Well, they're inverses of each other. They undo each other. And so I squared would equal negative 1. I'm going to show you what I to the third is, and then we'll get to I to the fourth. We don't really need to figure this out, but what would it be if we needed to know? I cubed is the same thing as I times I squared. Hopefully you would agree with that. And so we really have I times, and we just figured out that I squared was negative 1. So we have I times a negative 1, which is the same thing as saying negative I. And so here's I squared, here's I cubed. Now what we want to know for our final answer, what's I to the fourth? Another way to write that, the simplest way to do this I think, is to just say that's I squared times I squared. And I squared is equal to negative 1. So what you really have here is negative 1 times negative 1. It's all it comes down to. Negative times a negative makes a positive, and 1 times 1 will be 1. Your final answer for number 30, choice C.